Hey everyone! Today I'm going to show you how to create mind-blowing AI art with Midjourney that can fetch you $50 to $500 monthly in just a few minutes. And stick around till the end, because I'll reveal how you can turn these digital masterpieces into a cash machine. First things first, let's get started with Midjourney. Head over to their website and sign up for an account. It's super easy and takes just a few minutes. Once you're in, you'll see this amazing interface where the magic happens. Now you might be wondering, is this really easy to use? Absolutely! Let me show you. Simply describe the image you want in a few words or phrases. For example, let's type in futuristic city skyline at sunset, then hit generate, and there you go, a stunning, unique piece of art created in seconds. It's as simple as that. You don't need any design skills or experience. Okay, now for the exciting part. How much can you earn from these AI masterpieces? Well, people are making anywhere from $50 to $500 per image, depending on the platform and the demand for your style. Imagine selling just 10 images a month. That's up to $5,000. Platforms like Freepik and Shutterstock are great places to start. Upload your images, set your price, and watch the money roll in. And that's not all, folks. In the next video, I'll be diving into another incredible AI art tool that you won't want to miss. Do you have any questions? Ask in the comments section and I will give you an honest response. So if you're ready to turn your creativity into cash, make sure to follow my account for more tips and tricks. And don't forget to click the link in my bio to join my AI to Cash community for exclusive resources that'll help you get started on your AI art journey today. Like and follow.